Hello everyone, today we would like to explain or to show you how to install WPS Office. Our focus on this video is only how to install WPS Office for PC and laptop.
Ingredients and tools. Everything you need here is only a PC or laptop itself and WPS installation setup. Here we already have a laptop that we prepared before. It is laptop Acer that has been launched in October 2006.
Step 1. First, if you don't have the installer, you can download it first at the wps.com/it-download/site, then choose WPS Office for Windows. Step 2. If you have successfully downloaded the installer, open the location where the file we just downloaded. Step 3. Next, for how to install WPS Office on a desktop /laptop PC, then double-click or double-click on the file to open a new WPS Office window. Step 4. Then, check the word I have read and agree with the WPS Office license agreement and privacy policy. Then click Install Now. Step 5. Then wait until the installation process is complete.
6. If so, click Get Started. Step 7. Next, to install WPS Office on your PC or laptop device. You have to choose one of all-in-one mode or multi-component mode. If so, click Launch WPS.
The installation process is complete. You will see a clear default WPS Office display as below.
If the installation process has been successful, you can already use WPS Office for daily needs such as creating documents, processing numbers, or making presentation. Congratulations, now you can try it on your own whenever you want to install application for WPS Office. That's all from us. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a good day. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.